Florida about to experience a tsunami?
Guys, you there in Florida?
Look how low the tide is.
Does this proceed? Because if this
And look at that dock there. It got like
is real, and it's from now.
wow. It literally looks like the water is sucked out right now. I'm not playing. It looks like the water is sucked out.
Red flag. Oh my god. I have goosebumps all over. Oh my god. That's what I said in the video before. There's no way out. If you go under the land.
What's going on here? It's definitely lower than it normally is. One thing notice.
My mama told me, son,
It's much, much lower.
always be a good boy.
Well, all that water's going to be pushed back.
The water comes back.